Carrying on, this is how you can train your neck. You can take some clothes like this, put them at the back of your head like this. I'm just gonna move the headphones so it's easier. That is how to train your neck for, I don't know, whatever your motorsport or your sport is. That is a way a way to train it in any form. And with your arms, other you can try calisthenics, which I have tried and have attempted to do, but it's pretty hard because I'm pretty skinny. And oh, now I'm back in my room. Anyway, carrying on. No, I'm just gonna ignore the first video that I did. Alright, anyway, carrying on. If you want to train your arms, normally I either want to do pull-ups or try and do, I think it's called dead arm, where you hang with one arm for a while and then you up with the other one for as long as the other one has. Or you can do it with both arms, which is pretty hard for me because my bunk bed has very sharp edges, so it destroys my fingers. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's just a random one. Trying to get up to 12 subscribers. So I will do special if we get up to 12 subscribers, and I'll show you my full collection of cars. So, see you next one.